Alright, welcome back to Peanut Garage. Stay tuned, we've got some updates coming on the driftwood. Like, comment, subscribe, stick around, and tell me what you think. Alright, if you're a tight like me, I use offcuts of tile as a bog. I don't know what you'd call it, but yeah, mix it up on a tile. Just make sure you get one with no sharp edges, or you're going to be in for a bad time. Yeah, bodgy bogan tech tip of the day. Tile for bog. Alright, updates. The front plenum is all welded up, sealed up. Just got to seam seal it. For some reason I've got 4 caulking guns and I can't find a single fucking one, so anyway, I'll go get another one. Sides are all smoothed out to race car specs, except for the bottoms, tops that is. When I did my black ute, I took about 3 weeks to do just the sides and the body. That's before I did the doors and the guards. So, but still got to pull this corner, trim the insides fully out on both sides. Got that nice gap. That side is wider than that side, but if I push on it with my foot, it becomes the right gap. I'm guessing it's pulled the whole side in when that has happened, but anyway, I'm sure it'll get caved in one day. I'm sure a drifter out there will run out of skill, or myself. I'll probably definitely do that before anyone else. Anyway, but that's where we are now. But once we get some seam sealer, I'm out of haters here, so can you guys fill that back up? Be good. I'm thirsty. Welded up the holes in the roof. I don't have a clue what was in the roof. 5 holes. It looked like it should have been a hood ornament. But anyway, that's done. Header tanks welded up. Just need to get a couple more pinholes with that. I am slowly getting better at TIG welding. That's a half decent shitty weld there. But on the second one, I actually managed to get this thing a little bit dialed and produce some bangers, if you can see that. But the design is good. Bit of Raceworks cutter, Series 100 line in between the two. Thanks to my shop, can easily pop down and grab what I need. Half the reason why I've got my shop. But anyway, I digress. So I'm actually going to roll this out of the shed this weekend. I'm actually trying to get the bonnet ready as well to fit and gap accordingly. But I'm going to drill this little bit of steel, angle iron, or bent steel. I'm going to bolt it to that, and I'm going to pull it with the BT. See if we can get it to come out without much fuss. And then we'll, these little bits down here, both sides need doing, and that little bit there, and then we'll do the guards, smooth them out. That one in particular is going to be a lot of work. This one, not so much, it's pretty good, as we've seen before. I have welded up the badge holes, and we'll bog and smooth them out shortly. I'm getting sick of bogging, but that guard's going to take a bit. Anyway, Is what it is. Probably will zip this off soon too. I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to have a bonnet latch. But I have marked the bonnet up for some doodads. Some of those quick release ones. I'm not sure if they're going to be compliant, but I don't give a shit. Worst comes to worst, I'll put something else in. But at the moment, I've only got some cheap ones. But the good thing is, the cheap ones usually do the knockoff of the ProFlow or the Aeroflow or something decent, so shouldn't be too hard to get a replacement of the same size. But these ones actually look pretty good quality. I think I did pay a bit extra and went to a different supplier than I usually do on eBay. But time will tell. And probably fail like the rest of them. But they only fail if they got a bit of tension on them, so should be alright. Considering it's not a 6mm ball, it's like a 12mm ball for this one. Should be alright. Yeah, that's enough me banging on. I'll do some updates after I do some more work. Yeah. What do you think of the fitment? That's probably where I'm going to keep ride height. Yeah, I'm going to tow it in a bit more because it's only about ½ degree toe. If I tow it in a bit more, it should fill that guard up a bit nicer. But anyway, here's what it is. All right, so we did a bit of body work and a bit of spray painting. Just cheap spray cans from Bunnings. But it's not perfect, won't be perfect, don't expect it to be perfect. Put the bonnet on with the latches, or the hinges I should say. Fiberglass factory springs installed on the hinges. It doesn't sit straight. I've got to measure it all out and adjust it, but it's getting there. Got time for. Like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Cheers, bye. Yeah, go again.
This is my car.